Hi everyone, this is Baldwin again from landmarksdesign.com, and today I have my son Ohia to help me explain what tree watering bags are. They're also called tree gators or gator bags, but basically all it is a tarp-like material. You fill it with water, you leave it on the tree, and it waters the tree over a period of like 2 or 3 days, and it varies. But it's really easy to install. You can get 2 of these for anywhere between $10 and $20. So they're inexpensive and they're really worth it if you don't feel like watering your trees. And it's very important you water younger trees, especially if they were just planted. So this is a newer tree. We just planted it last year. It's a plum tree. And Ohia's gonna help.
Hi everybody.
He's gonna help zip it up. All you do is zip it up. So.
Hello guys.
Okay. Hey, I got it.
Okay. And that's all you do to set it up. And now we're gonna fill it with water. So stick the hose in. There's a hole at the top. Okay, you want to make sure it's all the way in. Now go turn the hose on, Ohia. All the way. Turning it all the way. And there's a little hole at the bottom that's going to slowly drip water out. So this is especially good in the very hot summer days. And you can go away on vacation for the weekend and do this right before you leave, and it'll be watering your tree the whole time. Now while that's filling up, I want to show you another one over here next door. Now as you see, this tree is a multi-stem tree, so it has 3 leaders coming up. And the other gator bag that I just showed you wouldn't work with this one. So they also come in this donut shape, and you basically just roll the donut. Here, stand away for a second. You just spread the donut around the base of the tree, and it inflates the same way. You just stick the hose in here, and it'll fill with water. And
are you gonna fill her some more?
maybe later. So let's go back and see if the other tree is filled up. It usually takes about 5 minutes or so, so it's about a quarter of the way there. But that's basically all you do, and I just thought I'd share because it's easy, it's affordable. It takes no time really at all, and you can just let it sit there while it's watering your tree. So like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and visit www.landmarksdesign.com.